Check out how I went from this blonde to this red lock petal bun using this fabric dye. So we shake up both bottles very well. Then I add dish detergent because that's what the instruction says, and I add as much dye as I need. I add more red and orange, and I let this heat up over the stove. And then I just use the spoon to stir the colors up and let it blend well together. And then of course, I just submerge the bun into the water, make sure that it's completely covered. And I let it soak for 10 minutes. And then I just let the bun sit outside, let the sun dry it up. Okay, so I'm just showing you how I retwist my locks up into my hard ponytail, leaving out the bang. I put this in turbo mode because we all know how to retwist our locks, but I just wanted to show like how easy this is. I really did this in like, I don't know, probably like 30 minutes. I was rushing. I had to go to a wedding, and I was like, all right, I gotta hurry up. At least this part is easy and quick. Now y'all can definitely skip this part to like 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Is where I get back to the petal ponytail. But I just didn't want the video to be like 2 minutes, so I just added everything I did. Okay, so it has a drawstring. You see how you can loosen it up. The drawstring, it has 2 clips on the side. And yeah, so you just place it on top. And I had to like stretch it over my bun. Yeah, and I just tie the string around my hair. You see how the back is not like fully covered, so I'm like, okay, I can't have that being loose. So I just added some bobby pins. So you about to see me pick up some bobby pins and start pinning in the area where it's not 2 clips holding on to it. So it's 2021 and we have to secure these hairstyles. So of course I want to pin it up, pin it down, make sure it's not going anywhere, and it did a job. I didn't have any problems all night, and I also woke up and my ponytail was still attached to my head. Now I ain't gonna front, my edge game is weak. It's weak, but I just slicked them bad boys down, and so I don't want no flyaways. And of course, tie your hair down. And boom. Oh, how do y'all feel about my makeup? Y'all need to check out my cosmetics line also.